Hey there! Want to know secrets to getting rich in your 20s? Well, it's not about overnight success or some magical formula. It's about smart choices, consistent effort, and a little bit of strategy. Let's break it down into 5 steps. Step 1, invest in yourself. This means learning skills that are in high demand: coding, digital marketing, sales, and even public speaking. These skills increase your earning potential. Don't be afraid to spend on courses, books, and workshops. Remember, the best investment you can make is in you. Focus on skills that generate income and help you build long-term assets, like learning about investing and entrepreneurship. Step 2, start a side hustle. Use your evenings or weekends to explore opportunities outside of your main job. It could be freelancing, creating content, flipping items online, or starting a small business. Your 20s are the perfect time to experiment and take risks. The extra income from your side hustle can help you save more, invest sooner, and build a financial safety net. Save aggressively. While it's tempting to splurge, make saving a priority. Aim to save at least 20 to 30% of your income using budgeting apps to track your spending and cut out unnecessary expenses. Think of saving as paying your future self. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Step 4, invest early. Compound interest is your best friend. Start with simple investments like index funds, ETFs, or even real estate if you can. The key is consistency. Invest regularly, even if it's a small amount. Don't worry about timing the market. Time in the market beats timing the market every time. Step 5, network and learn. Surround yourself with ambitious, like-minded people. Attend events, join online communities, and don't be afraid to reach out to mentors. Learning from others' experiences can save you years of trial and error. So there you have it. 5 steps to getting rich in your 20s. Invest in yourself, start a side hustle, save aggressively, invest early, and build your network. Remember, wealth isn't just about money. It's about creating a life of freedom and opportunities. Your 20s are your foundation. Make them count. And again, I want to say thank you for watching this video. If you got value out of this, please smash the like and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you. You are very special, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.